Well, today has been a very exciting and interesting day. It's also been a very busy day. I've been trying to focus on and get stuff done. But it's really hard when all my feeds, everything is blowing up, talking about Microsoft's new Copilot service and solution that they're going to bake inside of Office 365 or Microsoft 365. Now, here's a little insight. Microsoft themselves have access to pretty much every large corporation and enterprise's data. It's all in their platform. Not every large company's there, but the vast majority of them are globally. And then when you think about even some of the smaller ones, they have access to a truckload, or actually orders of magnitudes, millions of truckloads of data. And they're investing billions of dollars into this AI stuff. We've seen it with ChatGPT and all of that stuff that is just going out there. And it's mind-boggling how fast this space is moving. ChatGPT was launched November 2022. We're in March 2023 now. So 5 months ago, if my math's right. So a sparrow's fart of time really has passed since this thing has launched. And this is all we're talking about. Now, the biggest tech company on the planet is rolling this same technology, but not the one that launched back in November, but the new Uber-sized one that is just billions of times bigger than the first one, which was amazing, into their platform. And they're going to make it there available at your fingertips to not only get access to all the data that's out there that they can get their hands on, that's publicly accessible, but all the data and information that's inside of your company. All that data. And then filtered and sorted based on confidentiality, sensitivity labels, and compliance, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And then go, it's there. You're writing an email. So you ask Copilot and saying, hey, can you write an email about this? Please include links to our review page, statistics, and some of our key clients. And it's going to go off, grab that data, and write the email for you. Wow. Right? And we just don't even know how far this is going to go. This is where we're at. This is where we're at. We've been learning about all of this stuff. We've gone through the Industrial Revolution, the Technical Revolution, the Digital Revolution, which happened about 1990 when computers started happening. And then the iPhone and all that sort of stuff came in, and it sort of changed the way we thought about technology and how we accessed it. We're just on the cusp of moving into the fourth revolution, which people are describing as the automation one. This is what AI is going to power that. The rate of change that we can adapt to is already less than where this stuff's at. Right? We are already beyond the ability to comprehend what is going on. It is changing that fast. And as someone just said in one of my chats not long ago, the rate of change, especially around adoption, has just gone vertical. And they're not wrong, right? This is just, we can't even comprehend what this is going to do. We can't even comprehend what this is going to do. I go every day and talk to people about what Microsoft 365 can do without the AI stuff, and their minds are blown. Words. Like, I honestly don't know. And then the other announcement that came along this is not only is it going to help you create content, but their Power Platform system. So Microsoft's Power Platform, which sits along 365 and does all the automation and other fancy stuff, so low-code development space, right? Instead of you getting a bunch of people to develop stuff, you type in a few words and saying, this is what I want to happen. When I do this, when I want to create a list with a bunch of things, I need to have someone who's going to be assigned to that. There's going to be all these different statuses, and I need to send a different email depending on the status that goes to different people in that list. Can you build it for me? And the AI is going to build it for you. They say that technology is inspired by science fiction. And honestly, this is going beyond anything that we have dreamed of in science fiction. Literally, we're going to be like on the deck of the Enterprise and asking the computer to create a simulation for us and then collect a bunch of data and give us an answer. That is where we are at the cusp of creating. Wow. So, if you're not playing around in the Microsoft space and you're playing around with the other stuff, have fun, enjoy. There's a lot of cool stuff going in there. OpenAI is making that all available. But if you want to learn more about what is possible and not just AI, Google my name, post a message in this content, get in touch, let's have a conversation, and honestly, let me get you excited about the future and what is possible for your business. Just cannot wait.